Isang karangalan na i-welcome ka sa market leader na pinamumunuan ng kinikilalang Professor Roman D. Buison.
Now, I studied in LaSalle Green Hills for elementary school. And during that time, naghiwalay yung magulang ko. So, yung mother ko, linipat kami sa Amerika. So, we moved to the US in 1980. I was 12 years old. And from 1980 to 1993, I took my middle school, high school, and college in the US. So, kumbaga doon ako lumaki. Doon ako nasanay sa yung sa sipag at talagang kayod, no. Ang mahirap kasi sa US, walang masyadong mga kamag-anak, kaibigan na tumutulong sa iyo. Talagang sariling sikap doon, no. So, porket magsaysay ka or rohas ka or makapagal ka, hindi nila tinitingnan yung gano'n, no. So, talagang minsan pa nga yung pangalan ko, yung magsaysay, it was a disadvantage for me because it was such an unknown name in Texas. I grew up in Texas eh. So, tinitingnan nila yung mga resume ng mga tao, may mga Smith, may Jones, may mga Gonzales, mga Hispanic from, from South America. And then they see a name like Magsaysay. It was very different, no? And in fact, it worked to my disadvantage to have a name like Magsaysay in the US. So it made it harder for me to get a job. It made it harder for me to find opportunity. But I think when I look back, it made me a lot stronger. It made me a lot hungrier. And I think that really molded me a lot when I was growing up, going through racism, going through all these different things. And, being a teenager and going through a lot of difficulties, adjusting to a new culture, it makes you a lot stronger, And I think my years in the US really made an impact on me as a person, whether it's my character or my work ethic. So, bumalik na lang ako noong 1993. I was 25 years old na. And I was parang expected to work for the family business. So when I moved back here in 93, I was 25 years old. And pumasok ako kagad sa family business namin. But alam mo naman, pag nasa family business, the dynamics of that is also a little bit, how do you say, tricky or sensitive, no? working with family. So, eventually, I wanted to do something on my own. Yeah.
Kung nagustuhan niyo po ang video na ito, paki-like, share, and subscribe. At maaari rin po kayo mag-iwan ng comment. Maraming pong salamat!